friends, welcome back to our Craft With Me series. This is Wendy with Cannin Plannin. We are on to day number 23 of our Craft With Me designs and challenges for the month of February 2024. Today we are going to play in the new Create, Organize, and Plan kit, which I'm super excited about because I just got it in my hands today. So we're going to do some crafting with that. Let's take a look. All right, you guys, I love to do dashboards for my monthly calendar that match the card kit. So this is last month's dash cover, insert cover for the Create, Organize, and Plan Just One More Chapter kit. And so I want to create a new one with the new kit, which is the handbags. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the extra large insert cover. We did the medium one before, so let's just do a large one or an extra large one this time. So we're going to start with our insert cover. You can use any inserts. And we're going to start by trying to get as centered as possible on that insert, top and bottom. And we're going to start by folding over the edge like so. Okay, give yourself a little crease and then go through and make sure that they line up nicely with a nice crisp line. Again, if you have a bone folder, you can use that. I do have one. I'm just opting not to grab it right this second. Then we're going to put it back onto our inserts. And we're going to try to get it again lined up just in the middle there so that we can put a crease at the top and at the bottom. Let's take our cover out. And we're going to do a nice little crisp line. And on the other side, like so. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors, and where these two pieces crease, we're going to cut this off like so. Okay. Get this out of the way. We're going to fold down our first piece and then fold down the sides. And what we're going to do with those is we're going to add some tape right here at the edge for that to stick to. And we're going to do that with the other side. Some tape to stick to. So now we've created kind of a little envelope. And with these ones, you have the extra larges, you actually have to have two pieces of paper. And the reason for that is obviously it's not big enough to cover one. So we're going to, in order to do the pocket, we've got to incorporate another piece of paper. So we're going to take this, we're going to add our glue to the long stretch on both sides. And I'll probably run out of tape. So I came prepared this time. And then you're going to do two different places on this one. You're going to do the inside and the outside of that bigger section. And then we're going to line this up as best we can on our second piece of paper. Okay. Now we're just going to take our scissors and we are going to cut around this portion. Like so. Okay. And that is an extra piece of paper. Now we've created our pocket for our insert to slide into. Before we start decorating, I'm just going to make sure that it will slide in there okay, and then I don't have any problems. There we go. All right, so there is our insert cover. I prefer to decorate without it on there. Just makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to start playing with these papers, which I'm excited to play with. The pinks and purples, some roses. I'm not a huge purple fan, so we'll go with the pink and see how that looks. What to do? I think I want to do the washi tape up the side like so. And then we can add this beautiful paper. Kind of like that. Yes? What do we think? Yeah, I like it. All right. So we're going to take this and do my real technical measurement. Oh, there's the tape. Told you I was going to run out. Put that up right against the washi tape. And then we'll get this piece going. Whoops. That's some sticky tape, friends. And then we're just going to attach this piece like so. And then we'll cut off the excess. Like I said, real technical measurements right here, friends. Real technical measurements. Also, I'm loving the sunshine. I'm not going to apologize for it shining right now because it's amazing. And then we're going to take, I have a piece of it leftover cardstock from another project. So I'm going to take that. You can always use the back of this card as something for you to, put it on so you can have a border. This is the journal card. Just going to put that on there. And then grab my handy dandy paper trimmer. Just trim off this section. Like this little sticker. I'm going to grab, this is off the sticker sheet. I'm just going to grab this piece, this washi strip right here. And I'm going to kind of put it off to the side a little bit. This. And then grab that. Die cut. And I think, friends, I love it just like that. And then we'll grab our monthly and we will slide it right onto there. All right, there we go, you guys. A extra large dash cover. If you found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out. Otherwise, we'll see you back here for day number 24. Bye, friends.